All right, this is week 7, top tweets of the week. So happy to be back. My first TTW talks about how homophobia impacts students' learning. This is a survey that was conducted at a school, and anytime that students are afraid to express their sexual orientation publicly, it's normally because of uh, how they feel they'll be perceived by everyone once they're outed, in a sense. And 80% of students identify as straight just to keep from being bullied or stigmatized as an outcast. Something very important to pay attention to. And this is an awesome quote. Let's keep our students curious. People who are curious learn more than people who are not, and people learn more when they are curious than when they're not. It's important to keep kids engaged in learning and always keep them in a discoverable mentality because learning is continuous. Uh, Lastly, students want to know why is math so hard, and this is a chart that kind of analyze why math might be hard, and it breaks it down into categories: language of math, understanding concepts, work and memory load, purpose and utility, and anxiety and attitude. All 5 key areas that assess why math might be hard. Shout out to Brittany for such an awesome quote. We're creating in the future. It's our job to give students their best chance at education. If not, we are failing them in more ways than just grades. That is certainly true. And one thing we have to be mindful of, if children are failing in our classroom, we need to first examine ourselves as teachers because there may be a flaw in our instruction that impacts how they learn. So those are just a few things to keep in mind. And that concludes my top tweets of the week.